One of my favorite stores is Ulta Beauty. Isa siya sa happy place ko talaga. I love going here and just going through each and every aisle. I-check ko lahat ng items for sale, ganyan. And oh, by the way, itong Dior lipstick na to, I've been wanting to buy this since last year. So this year, bibilin ko na talaga siya. And I was also able to try it on. Sobrang glittery. Ang ganda-ganda niya. I cannot wait! Yan ang color na gusto kong bilhin. And I've had some of their lipsticks already. Gusto ko yung brand na yan. Oh, NARS is still one of my favorite makeup brands, by the way. Okay, Charlotte naman. Got a couple of makeup stuff from her. It's like a miss for me. So here, I saw these two Gourmand perfumes. Mababango sila, in fairness. Ang sarap kainin. But I think it's like overly sweet para sa akin. But, you know, it's alright, I guess. This Capri in Love D&G Light Blue perfume is so good. Gusto ko siya. Mas gusto ko siya kaysa dun sa original, actually. So yeah, ikot-ikot lang tayo. Ang daming sobrang busog ang mata ko when I went to this store kasi I haven't been in a long time. So ang dami kong nakitang bago sa mata ko. And I'm sure it's been there sa shelves nila for a while. Pero for me, it's all brand new. I also love the fact na ang dami ng Korean skincare line na binibenta nila in store. So this way, I can try it out first before actually purchasing it. Like this Medicube. Gusto ko yung brand na yan and I'm happy they're selling it. So yes, if I wanna kill time, nag-iikot lang ako dito sa Ulta. See you guys soon! Bye!